Welcome back to another video. If you're new on channel, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. The 2026 Dacia Spring is redefining what it means to drive an affordable electric car. Known as one of Europe's most budget-friendly EVs, this compact hatchback has received a major upgrade that makes it more powerful, better equipped, and more practical for everyday use. Dacia has carefully listened to feedback from owners and critics, refining the Spring's design, improving its driving dynamics, and enhancing its overall quality, all while keeping it accessible to a wider range of buyers. From the outside, the 2026 Spring looks fresh and modern without losing its simple, charming identity. The front end features slimmer LED headlights and a cleaner grille design, giving it a sharper and more contemporary appearance. The Dacia logo sits proudly in the center, and subtle body tweaks improve aerodynamics and efficiency. It's still unmistakably a compact city car, but one that feels more confident and capable than before. The tough plastic cladding around the wheels and bumpers adds a rugged edge, hinting at its practical, go-anywhere personality that urban drivers love. Underneath its updated bodywork, the biggest transformation lies in its performance. The 2026 Dacia Spring now comes with two motor options. The base model delivers 70 PS around 69 horsepower, a noticeable improvement over the old entry-level version, while the higher variant pushes output up to 100 PS 99 horsepower. This might not sound like much, but for a lightweight EV, it makes a big difference. The car now accelerates far more confidently, making highway merges and overtaking maneuvers less stressful. Where the previous model struggled to keep pace, the new one feels lively and responsive, especially in city traffic. The power boost is supported by a new lithium-iron-phosphate (LFP) battery with a capacity of 24.3 kWh. Despite being slightly smaller than before, it offers similar range thanks to improved efficiency. The official range now stands at around 140 miles, 225 kilometers on the WLTP cycle, perfect for daily commutes or city runs. Charging has also become faster and more convenient, with DC fast charging now supporting up to 40 kilowatts. That means you can recharge from 20% to 80% in under 30 minutes. While home or public AC charging at 7 kilowatts takes roughly 4 hours for a full charge. Ride quality and handling have also been addressed. The 2026 Spring now includes a front anti-roll bar, retuned suspension, and upgraded brakes, resulting in a smoother and more controlled drive. The car feels more stable at higher speeds, while still being easy to maneuver and park in tight urban spaces. These changes make the Spring not only more comfortable but also safer and more confidence-inspiring. Inside, the cabin has been redesigned with practicality in mind. The new digital 7-inch instrument cluster displays essential information clearly, while higher trims include a modern touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interior materials are simple yet durable, reflecting Dacia's focus on reliability and value. Despite its compact size, there's enough space for 4 adults and a surprisingly roomy trunk, making it a smart choice for city families or first-time EV buys. Perhaps the most impressive part of the 2026 Dacia Spring is that it continues to deliver incredible value for money. Even with its performance boost, upgraded features, and new design, Dacia plans to keep the price among the lowest in the electric car market. That means more drivers can make the switch to electric without breaking the bank. In summary, the 2026 Dacia Spring isn't just a cheap EV, it's a well-rounded, fun, and efficient city car that proves electric mobility can be both practical and affordable. With improved range, stronger performance, and smart technology, the new Spring is ready to win over even more urban drivers looking for an eco-friendly and economical way to move through modern life. Thank you for watching video.